Hello, Next community. Well, this is interesting. No response from network configuration server, Control C, automatic. And let's see if it's going to stall there. But I'm tinkering. So what I've got here, it's a little, basically a repeater. It's a Wi-Fi extender. And to power it up, I got a little splitter here. So it goes molex 4-pin to USB. And I'm fairly sure that, at least it looks like it's recognizing this thing's there. So let's try a couple things. See if it'll go Control C or Control D to continue to boot. Because it's getting hung up there. But I haven't configured it. Where you go into, you have to create a Etsy resolve file. And I think Timothy Louma's got a cable modem page that I'm going to try and tinker with. But the good news is I've got this thing so it powers up from the next power supply and it plugs into the RJ45 and it's definitely seeing it upon boot. So stay tuned.